Hey guys, here is what the new optimizing search and Siri message means in iOS 27 beta free. If you recently updated your iPhone and notice this new message in settings, don't worry, it's completely normal and here is what's actually happening. In iOS 27 beta 3, Apple renamed the old indexing status to optimizing search and Siri, making it much faster, easier to understand. On iPhone, it says 90% along with the last update time. So what's sorting on your iPhone, drop a comment below. So guys, your iPhone is now building a secure on-device index in the background. This has power faster spotless search, smarter Siri response, and in-through app integration. For example, you'll notice faster search in messages, photos, files, and apps. The new Siri can even understand what's on your screen. So you can ask questions about a Safari web page or any ad without leaving vocabulary. If you are using a compatible device like the iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone Air, you'll also get the new Siri voice customization option, including pacing and explicitly controls once optimization is complete. The good news is you can keep using your iPhone normally while this process runs. However, if you quit it to finish faster, plug your iPhone into charging and leave it charging overnight. This gives us enough unencrypted time to complete the optimization. One important tip, don't force restart your iPhone repeatedly while it's optimizing. Interrupting the process can make it that longer before all search and Siri features are fully available. That's it. If your phone still says optimizing search and Siri, comment below, like this video and subscribe for more iOS 27 tips.